Do you know what would have been really nice to have when I first started real estate? A freaking mentor. Somebody to ask questions. Truth be told, I had one. But when I got too big for my britches and went out on my own, I didn't have her anymore. It did take me a while to figure it out, but I'm with EXP now, and we have 3 opportunities for mentorship. The first one is your local mentor. They know all of the ins and outs of your local state contract as well as your local MLS. They're also really good with how people are writing up contracts in those particular areas. Your second level is your sponsor. That's me. If we're in a different market, I'm going to be sharing all of my goodies with you. And even if we're in the same market, I'm still going to share those goodies with you because your success is my success. And don't forget number 3. That's your EXP World, EXP Global. There's no lack of support of EXP.